Matt Jara.
Matt Jar, how long you been playing?
Oh, about a year and a half.
What the hell you doing out here?
Experimenting. Hey, black dip. Recognizable. Oh, I gotta go right at it. I gotta go straight to it or I'll never find it. I know where it is, but... Oh, you better hurry. I see it. This way.
That's fine. We saw it come to a stop. Hey, the snow over at DeBusk was so deep. It was like, it was deep. It was enough to not. It was enough that you it went like that and you could not find it. It just goes like this. Look. Oh man.
Dangerous.
Yes, I see yours.
Black one?
No.
I'll find you. There's the pink one. The black one.
There it is in the water.
Oh, it is. Good eye. Hey, by the way, I've learned in this kind of snow, there's no rolls. None. Just stops. Yes, that's a nice par.
Almost found that line.
When it tides in hard, it's still buried right.
Oh, skimpy.
All right, you got it.
Good putt.
Okay, can we see it? Yeah.
Boy, I think.
How much snow I got it from you? Keep off, you just drop that thing. So when you need to set it down. Oh my.
I'll find it. It'll be a plug hole in the snow. Oh, that water over there. That water.
Yeah, that water.
Right here.
This is all you see right here.
Oh, man. Okay,
Very
right
safe.
on top, right on top. Oh, man.
Come back! Crap. Aha. There it is.
Oh, man.
How deep is it?
Oh.
Oh my gosh, that's gonna be cold. I don't even see it, but I know that it went in here.